This is a used 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, powered by rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include heavy-duty suspension, dual temperature controls, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, privacy glass, air conditioning, power windows. Safety was made a priority with these features: a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Central Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 5645 Firestone Boulevard, Southgate, California.